Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. Boppin or Malika. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating. Do I tell you guys what I'm recreating? Oh yeah, I do, because this isn't a secret. Anyway, I'll be recreating Rachel's outfits from Friends, and I'll have a picture of like the recreation piece I will be recreating because it's the sweater. And yeah, so the yarn I got is Jop's yarn, so I'll be using this to recreate this sweater. I think it's gonna be so beautiful, and I'm going to be using a 4.5mm hook, and that's really all I have to say for the intro because you guys know what I'm making, know what yarn I'm using, and yeah, so let's get it. Okay guys, also I'm going to make this pattern free, the recreation top, free on copydolls.com, and I'm going to make my racer top, which I have a picture right here. I'll make that free at copydolls.com as well, so you guys get 2 free patterns as a thank you for me being at 10k subs. I don't know how to word that, but 10k subs equals 2 free patterns. You're welcome from me to you. Okay guys, I finished my front and back panel. Now I'm going to do the sleeves. So, bye! Okay guys, so I finished everything. So I have that's my mom in the kitchen. I have my 2 sleeves, front and back panel, and now I'm going to put everything together and then do the collar, and it'll literally be done. So let's get it. Okay guys, I finished the top. I finished the collar and everything. That's how it looks. I'm going to try everything, like the whole outfit on like tomorrow or the next, maybe, no, it'll be Monday definitely. So I'm not going to show you guys until it's time to take pictures. And yeah, but I finished this in like 4 or 5 days. I was procrastinating a lot, but finally got it done, and it doesn't even look like Jop's Wish or Air, whatever, whichever one I got. It literally just looks like basic acrylic yarn, but I'm really excited to have the entire outfit together, and I'm excited to show you guys the end result. So I'll see you guys in like 2 days, and yeah, see ya. Okay guys, so I'm all dressed up now. I feel like I have lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, I'm all dressed up now. This is a few days later because I did not feel like taking pictures that day or any time after that. But I stopped being lazy and I got dressed and ready to take pictures. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. So the top I'm wearing, the top I made, is like cream, but oh, this is much better. But my socks are like pure white, but this is how it looks. I'm trying to see if I can. Okay, do I have to be all the way back in? Okay, I think I can scoot it up a little bit like that. Maybe? Yeah. Okay, yeah, ta-da! So the top really goes like over the skirt, but this is how it looks. And I'll have the picture right here so you guys can see the comparison. I think I did a really good job at recreating it, and it was super easy. I just totally forgot how to do skinny sleeves because I haven't done skinny sleeves since my striped madness top, so I had to like remember how to do the sleeves, but I remembered and it came out great. And this one is super stretchy. Like my birthday top kind of looks like this a little bit, but it was kind of hard to get my head through. But with this, the Drops Air, I think that's what I used, Drops Air or Drops Wish, I forgot. But either way, this yarn is so much stretchier than Impeccable, and I loved it. It wasn't hard to get in at all, but like when I hold the shirt up when I'm not wearing it, it looks super, super tiny, but it fit me really well. I'll flip the camera so you guys can see like this. Ta-da! I decided to do my hair back like that because, I don't know, I felt like a hairstyle like this went with the whole preppy kind of look. And yeah, that's it. So I'm going to go just ended, my finger pressed the button and I ended. Anyway, I'm going to go take pictures now, and that's really all I have to say. Of course, I will show you guys the entire outfit, well, my pictures, at the end of this video like I always do. But thank you guys so much for watching, and since you guys enjoyed this video so much, be sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post another video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!